This video, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to your Shopify store. First of all, in the main dashboard of Shopify, go to the left side right here and click on Add Apps. Once you have clicked that, you'll be able to search the app for Shopify. To extend this more, go to the bottom left corner and click Shopify App Store. It will open a new tab as you can see right here. And finally, we have the search bar right here. So I'm just going to type in Google Analytics, and then you'll be able to find the right app for it. As you can see right here, here is the Google and YouTube app. Click on it, and then click on install. After doing that, you will see this new page right here. Click on install once again, and you should be redirected back to the Shopify admin dashboard. Right here, you'll see the app setup. And for reference, you'll always find the app right here on the left side. So what you have to do right now is pretty simple. All you have to do is click on connect Google account and you will be good to go. When connecting the Google account, make sure that you select all of these options so that Shopify can access the right data. Then simply all you have to do is click on the continue button. And that's it. You have successfully connected the account. All you have to go through right now is just a couple of settings, which is going to connect your Google Merchant Center account, check your online store requirements, and then agree to the terms and conditions. And you will be good to go. Thanks a lot for following along.